Hey, railroad fans, Cajon Pass. Got a westbound coming here. Looks like a Z train. All trailers so far, that's cool. It's kind of a new noise. All right, now we're going to get into some stacks. Usually it's the other way around. They have the stacks first and the trailers last. Bunch of UPS containers. All right, main track number 2, westbound once again, milepost 65, Cajon subdivision, Southern California. If you like what you just saw there, subscribe to the channel and share with your friends. Give us a like, and we will catch you on the next one. Love you guys. Take care. Railfanscajonpass, main track number 1. Milepost 64.9, eastbound. There's 125 crew. LA area good guys. Obviously, we got here just in the nick of time. I was about 100 yards away filming. Decided just to come down here to the spot I've been at a few times. The other spot's good, but it's kind of hard to get Buddy up there. So once this train goes by, I'll get Buddy out and set up our bivouac. I love all the comments we get, most of them anyway. There's a couple of them that are suspect, but most of them are great. And boy, you guys are really make you think about things that I don't even think about. Sure, I'm learning a lot from everybody. Appreciate you sharing this with us. You know, I retired and my grandfather worked for the railroad. He worked for the GM&O, Gulf Mobile in Ohio. He designed bridges. He was a civil engineer. So as a young child, I kind of had railroad drilled into me. Sitting on the bench seat in my front seat of my mother's car, and no seat belts in those days. Stopping at railroad crossings, counting the cars. So I'm just living my second childhood out here. And I decided, what the heck, I'll just share this with other people, and it's awesome. A lot of you guys grew up around here. Not here anymore. So I love sharing it. Even if it just makes you feel like a kid again, like me. You know what's coming now, right? Railfanscajonpass. If you like what you see, please subscribe to the channel and give us a like. You know I love you guys. Take care.